may palit box sila. Games. So, good afternoon po mga ka-vlog. Nandito po tayo sa Eastern France. Dito sa Ace Water Spa sa Pasig. So, okay. So, yung mga ka-vlog, ang anak ko, naghahanap siya ng egg.
Ibigay mo muna yung stub.
So please proceed to our egg.
Yes. What color is that, anak? What color is that? Orange.
It's okay na, it's okay. Ibigay lang yan, i-open nila.
May free face painting din po sila dyan. Saan po tayo sa loob mga ka-creative vlog. Madami silang games dito mga ka-creative vlog.
Hindi nga gaganito ako.
Wow, galing nga sir oh.
Pwede naman sa...
Sumasayaw pa ano.
Pwede naman ganito.
Yun, wow.
Wow naman! Wow! Wow!
Oh, hi ma'am. Say hi anak. Hi to them. Hi! Wow. So, ang daming mga pag-games dito mga creative vlog, no? So, dito lamang po yan sa Ace Water Spa dito sa Pasig. Anak, hi! Look at here. What are you going to do, anak? To paint the egg? Alright, okay. Vlog, alright.
Wait with the towel.
Yes, anak.
Wait.
Let me see. Yung creative vlog, oh. So, nagbutas na siya. Yay! Wow! Nice one. Wow! Yes! Wow! Wow, anak. Say thank you, anak.
Thank you.
Wow!
No.
Love chips again, anak. Ito naman po tayo sa third boot, no?
Para po sa grano. Okay. Same color,
Same
anak.
color, anak. Wow, color blue, anak. Again. Oh, pwede na. One more. Wow. Ah, sayang. Wow.
Hindi lang ma-shoot yung ball kasi sa head.
Okay.
Okay, you have a 2 attempts, baby. Go. Uy, dali. One more.
One more. One more.
Last. Sige, go. Let's go. Paralo ka lang. One more.
Anak ko, Anak. Wow, say thank you.
Ito, baby. Isa-isa lang. Throw it the ball. One more. Sige. Oh, sayang. Last one.
Shoot.
Oh, nice try. Good job.
Wow. Wow, say thank you. The other one.
Sorry.
Wow. Another one, anak. One more. One more. Say thank you. Your turn na, anak. Your turn na. Okay.
Say, lakasan mo ha.
Wow. Say thank you.
Thanks ha. Take your time, baby.
Oh.
Go. One at a time. One. No.
One more.
One more. Two.
Wow. Say thank you to ate.
Okay, one. No, you ayos. Okay. Wow.
Wow.
Baliktad ka na pala. Yung likod yung tumama. Okay.
Tama.
Okay. Do it again. Ulit yung
No, not there.
Daddy na lang, si daddy na lang. Wait lang pa, wait lang.
Wait, you wait, Daddy.
Dun to.
Ay!
Okay. Okay.
Say thank you ate. So, syempre mga kakiti vlog, pag nagutom kayo, yan, may free popcorn and ice cream. Alright.
Okay, definitely, you have to win a new friend as well. Okay, so make sure to be kind and friendly to all our, other participants right now. Okay, now, aside from the games, would you like to watch a magic show? I love it. All right, of course, guys, you're gonna watch.
So, ayan, dito tayo sa game, mga kakiti vlog. So, may tumbler tayo. And, syempre, umbrella. Ayan, sa anak ko.
Mag-compose ka sa Happy Easter kagabi po ha. Yun po yung pose.
Dito lang po yan sa Ace Model and
Alright,
Suits.
so,
Sa
come on,
Ace
gotta strike a
Water Spa,
pose right
dito sa
now
Pasig.
with their chosen